Thought for the day. Reading the news increases blood flow to the brain, acting as a form of mental exercise. 1. The country's expenditure on research and development, R&D, rose to 0.83% of its GDP in the 2021-22 fiscal year, the highest level since 2009-10. For the first time, the private sector's share of the country's total research expenditure has exceeded 50%. According to the Lowy Institute, the US invests 3.5% of its GDP in R&D, Japan 3.4%, Germany 3.1%, and China 2.4%. 2. According to the government, cases of cyber fraud in the country have tripled in 2024 compared to 2020. Data from the NCRB shows that the highest number of cases, 18,922, were registered in Telangana in 2024, followed by Bihar and Maharashtra. The majority of these fraud cases were linked to online banking systems and credit-debit cards. 3. India's Galveer Singh won the silver medal in the men's 10,000 meters race at the Commonwealth Games. He is the first Indian to win a medal in this event since 1970. Harjinder Kaur won silver in the 69 kg weightlifting category. With these medals, India holds the 9th position on the medal tally. 4. LIC paid a dividend of 12,207 crore rupees to the government for the 2025-26 fiscal year. LIC CEO R. Doraiswamy handed over the check to Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. LIC recently completed 70 years of operations. As of March 31, 2026, the company's total assets stood at 59.03 lakh rupees crore. 5. According to the 361 Wealth Creators Report, the average age of the country's billionaires has dropped to 57 years. Last year, it was 63 years. The 738 women included in the report hold 22.6% of the total wealth of the country's billionaires. The highest average wealth, recorded at 6,542 crore rupees, was found among women under the age of 40. 6. The US Senate voted to advance the Lindsey Graham Sanctioning Russia and Iran Act. This bill proposes imposing tariffs of up to 100% on countries that purchase oil from Russia. Since India sources over 40% of its oil requirements from Russia, this move could impact India's energy security and economy. 7. Word of the day. NOTAM. NOTAM, Notice to Air Missions, is an official notice issued prior to a flight. It is communicated to pilots, airlines, and air traffic control. It contains essential flight-related information, such as airspace closures, rocket launches, spacecraft re-entries, or other safety-related changes. Recently, IN-SPACE issued new regulations regarding spacecraft re-entries. It is now mandatory to issue a NOTAM at least 45 days before such an operation begins, to ensure the safety of air traffic.